Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best foldable mattresses that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Milliard Trifolding Foam Mattress. The Milliard Memory Foam Trifold Mattress is the next best thing to your bed at home. Made from 3 pounds of soft yet supportive memory foam, a medium firm feel. This foldable mattress is ventilated for airflow over a 4.5 foam base. This bed won't lose shape and is made for long stretches of use, camping or extra guest bed. With more than 8,300 reviews and an impressive 4.7-star average, this mattress promises a restful night of sleep. A moderate price point means money is well spent. Make sure you invest in a properly sized mattress cover though, especially if you plan to use this folding mattress for little ones. The Milliard Memory Foam Trifold Mattress allows you to get a comfortable night's sleep wherever you go. Moving on at number 4, we have Springtech Soft Foam Trifold Mattress. Springtech is a popular brand when it comes to mattresses. This Springtech foldable bed mattress is firm enough to provide appropriate support to your back while being light cushioned for comfort. The mattress is lightweight and portable, making it ideal for camping, workout and sleepovers. The POO foam ensures that you get an ultra-soft sleep surface, and the mattress is further equipped with an anti-slip bottom. It can be easily considered as one of the best foldable mattresses available online. This folding mattress is designed as a regular mattress that gives, as usual, comfort as a mattress with a simple mechanism. Foldable mattresses are usually lightweight, easy to move around, and affordable. At number 3, we have TOOTFUSION Soft Cotton Foldable Single Firm Mattress. If you need a budget-friendly mattress, then you can opt for this TOOTFUSION cotton mattress. The mattress is made of 100% recyclable, dust-free and hypoallergenic material. This mattress provides utmost comfort and when not in use can be easily rolled up and stored in compact spaces. Although the mattress is soft and lacks thickness, it can still prove to be a valuable purchase considering the low price. Advisable for the students who stays in hostel or PG. All cotton products sold will settle down for a fixed height and width only after use, and after that product will be in settled position, shape. Please check for the size and requirements before placing the order. At number 2, we have Lucid Rollaway Folding Guest Bed. If you don't like sleeping on the floor, some folding mattresses might not be right for you. You'll want to look at a high-quality folding cot like the Lucid Rollaway Folding Guest Bed. This steel-framed bed boasts springs that support a comfortable 4 inches memory foam mattress. The mattress and bed fold together for quick storage and setup. The Lucid's frame even features wheels that make it much easier to transport the bed from storage to your guest's sleeping spot. Your guest will get all the comfort and support they need with the Lucid. The rayon from bamboo cover is even ideal for sensitive skin. The heavy-duty steel frame offers 11 inches of clearance so your guest can easily stow luggage below. And finally at number 1, Cushy Form Floor Mattress. Are you planning a camping trip? Make sure to pack the Cushy Form along with your tent and hot dogs. The Cushy Form is a folding mattress that features plush, high-density foam. Its soft design makes it a great choice for side-sleeping campers. Don't worry about the rocks and roots digging into your shoulder when you're sleeping. The Cushy Form will remove all that pressure and discomfort for a comfortable night of sleep. And, with its handy travel bag, it will be easy to pack for your trip. Bring the comfort of your bedroom with you on camping and road trips. Whether hosting a sleepover or spending the night at grandma's, you'll no longer have to worry about figuring out sleep situations. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.